Harvard University. History and future. Harvard University, located in Cambridge, Massachusetts, is one of the most prestigious and oldest institutions of higher education in the United States. It was established in 1636 and was named after its first benefactor, John Harvard. Over the centuries, Harvard has evolved into a comprehensive university offering a wide range of undergraduate and graduate programs in various disciplines, including the humanities, social sciences, natural sciences, and professional studies. Harvard has a rich history marked by numerous achievements and contributions to academia, research, and society. It has produced many distinguished alumni, including several U.S. presidents, Nobel laureates, and leaders in various fields. Harvard is known for its rigorous academic curriculum, world-class faculty, and a strong emphasis on research and innovation. In terms of the future, Harvard University continues to prioritize academic excellence, research, and the advancement of knowledge. The university aims to address global challenges through interdisciplinary research and collaboration, focusing on areas such as health, sustainability, social justice, and technological advancements. Harvard is dedicated to fostering a diverse and inclusive community, promoting critical thinking, and preparing students to become leaders who can make a positive impact on the world. Through its educational programs, research initiatives, and community engagement, Harvard University aspires to remain at the forefront of global education and contribute to the betterment of society. Watch more university information. Like, share, subscribe.